The proud elephant. Once upon a time, there was an elephant who was very proud of his long trunk. One day, he met an ant who was struggling to carry a piece of food. The elephant laughing and said, "Why don't you use your trunk like I do?" The ant replied, "I don't have a trunk like you do, but I am still strong." The elephant then said, "I am much stronger than you are. I could easily carry that piece of food." The ant then challenged the elephant to a race. The elephant laughed and said, "How could you possibly beat me in a race?" The ant then said, "I will race you, but we will carry different objects. You can carry a feather, and I will carry this piece of food." The race began, and the elephant quickly fell behind. The ant won the race, and the elephant was humbled. From that day forward, the elephant was no longer proud of his long trunk. Moral: we should not judge others based on their appearance or size.